Hey guys, what's happening? How to unlock hidden features in iOS 18. One of the many features that Apple presents is the lock and hide app. Basically, what you're gonna do, you can go ahead and select any app, right? Let's say PayPal, right? And you can click require Face ID, and you can hide and require facial recognition or passcode before accessing this particular app. Enhance privacy by locking apps with Face ID or Touch ID and hiding them from the home screen, right? And next, you have the Apple Intelligence, right? iOS 18 Apple Intelligence combines the power of generative models of an understanding of with an understanding of your personal context to deliver intelligence that's useful, right? So basically, Apple Intelligence integrated with ChatGPT, basically, and you're gonna be able to use that to summarize an article or ask AI to write down a resume, whatever that might be, just by simply going back to your screen and go to the settings. Please be aware that this feature is only available to iPhone 16 or 15, right? And you can go ahead and find it in the Siri settings or Apple Intelligence, right? And you can change app icons to widgets. You can just transform the app icons into widgets by pressing and holding the icon, right? Let me go and hold, let's say for example, this app, and I could go and I could go and turn this app into widget, right? By selecting widget like this, or I could just turn it into an app. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and please wait for the upcoming iOS 18 new features in the future. See you.